Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Rixa. If you're new, karibu sana, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So for today, what I'm doing first, I'm just applying Vaseline on my lips to moisturize it before I apply my lipstick. Always make sure you do that. And for the lipstick that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using the red one and the Davi's eye pencil in the shade number 1. The lipstick that I'm using, it's in matte form. So what I'm doing first, I'm just lining my lip. Always make sure the outer lippy, like the outer shade that you are using, it's darker than the inner shade. So for today I decided to do like the black shade. So as you can see, I'm just lining my outer lips, and after that you see at the corner there, the inner corner, I'm just going to shade it going inwards on both lips. So where the area where I had left like some space, I'm now going to apply my red lipstick. I'm going to apply it at the lower lippy and the upper lippy too. I'm doing that so that the two shades can be able to blend before I use something else to blend them. Now I've taken like a tinier brush. I'm trying to blend the two shades, the black one and the red part, so that it doesn't have like harsh lines, so it can look like an ombre form. And the next lippy, I decided to use like a third lippy. I used the Huda Cosmetic lippy in the shade the Queen, since it was like more brighter, and decided to put it where the other red lippy was. So if you don't have like a brush to blend the two shades, you can also always use your finger. Yeah, it will help you blend it well. It's not a must you use a brush. I'm now going to take like an angled brush so that I can clean my lippy. You can use your concealer or your foundation, but make sure the shades matches the skin, like the foundation that you had used on your skin. So if you want, you can use like a darker concealer, or yeah, the one that just matches the foundation that's on your skin. So what I'm just doing is cleaning out that lippy so that it can pop out, and I'm going to be doing it on both sides. And make sure like the brush you're using, it's more of angled brush. For my case, I decided to use a foundation. Yeah, I used the foundation. It was in Illegal Cosmetic in the shade Mahogany. And what I'm doing, I'm just like applying the foundation that I'm using to clean my lippy. I'm stretching it down so that it can also blend with the other parts around my lippy. So as you can see, this is how it came out. I just love the results, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, hit the notification button, so just in case I upload, you get notified. So anyway, see you guys.